sorry to stop you, but I saw your gorgeous hair.
Thank you.
My name is Paola. I own a head wrap company and I would love to wrap you. Is that okay?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Okay.
We have this bag full of head wraps.
These are beautiful. I like this one
Okay.
the most.
Alrighty. So what is your name?
Kaylee.
Are you from here?
Kind of. I have folks here, but I grew up in Texas. I'm just down here for a conference and to see the city. This is my first time back home in like 3 years.
Oh, nice. When you're in town here, what do you like to do?
Eat.
Yeah.
Eat and drink.
Yeah.
See family.
That's lovely.
I love gumbo.
Where would you say you get the best gumbo?
My auntie house. but-
Yeah, the best gumbo is a home-cooked
Of course.
gumbo.
I always make my way down to Cafe Du Monde here in the quarter.
Yeah.
I love beignets. I have to get them.
All right, so I'm almost done. I
Okay.
did a really quick style.
I'm so excited.
And I'm very excited for you to see it. Okay, you're all set, so let's take a look. Isn't that so cute?
Yes. Oh my goodness. That's cute. That's cute as hell. Pardon my language, but this is
You're good.
gorgeous.
You're good.
Oh my
Absolutely.
goodness. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so pretty.
Can we take a picture?
Yes.
First, I have to give you a hug.
Of course.
Thank you so much for letting me hug you.
Thank
or
you.
letting me hug you and wrap you.
Of course.